She remembers.
Good job, Peanut. You gonna go goofy foot?
Woo! Up, you're gonna go down the hill. Oh. Push hard. Push hard. Push hard with your foot. Push real hard. You are so good. She thinks she has to get off of it to turn it. Look at her. She's trying to lay down next to that. Daddy's car. Here, let's ride the scooter. Come catch up with Mommy. Come here.
Go get Mommy.
Come on. Oh, come on, silly goose. Come here. Woo! Mommy, don't break it. Here, you want to go fast? Go fast.
Hang on.
Here, let's turn around and come towards home. Big turn, big turn. And we're gonna go fast, 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 fast. Woo! Buddy! Okay, use your foot. Push. Push. Push with your foot. Here, take this foot off. Put it on the ground. And push. Good job. Push again. Nope.